Okay.
Okay, so right now Cameron is doing the next step in the file transfer process. He created an SCB folder and now he's dragging and dropping everything that he wants to keep into his SCB folder. And when he's done with that, we're going to show you how to upload it to a personal account. So the first step might take you a while if you want to sort through what you'd like to keep from your SCB account and putting it in a folder. And how he made that folder is he did a 2-finger tap and then created a folder and called it SCB. Next, we will be transferring it. Okay, so now Cameron is going to open a new tab. You don't have to do that part yet, Cameron. Go open a new tab and log into your personal account, but leave those other tabs open if possible. And we altered the settings on GoGuardian so that you would be able to do that because before you couldn't do that. So if you could go to your Google Drive, Cameron, on your personal account. It looks like that's the right one because it's got a different icon in the corner up there. Okay, so now click on the new button, Cameron, in the upper left side of the screen and click folder upload. Now he's going to click on my drive. See how he already has that clicked on the left hand side. It's in blue. And see the SCB folder he made is right there. So he can click on the SCB folder and click upload. And depending on how many files you guys put in here, it will say that it takes a while. I wonder why it's saying one file failed. Click on the little triangle and see what it says. File unreadable. I guess click retry all. Well, hey, that time only one failed. That's good. Another student was telling me that one of theirs failed, and I'm not sure why it was doing that. So Cameron's going to go check out those file folders. Huh, maybe there's just a record of a file and that's why it's doing that.
Yeah.
I guess I wouldn't be too concerned about that. We call those in Microsoft like an information file, and they're not really necessary. I'm not sure what Google calls them.
Yeah.
Um, so it looks like you at least have the folder now in your Google Drive,
Yeah.
in your personal Google Drive. So basically you guys can test that out to make sure that it's working. And if for some reason a document fails, like Cameron's did, and you go and check and see if it's like a really important document, if you just share one document with yourself, with another account, with a personal account, you can make a copy of it. So that's what you can do to work around that. And the reason we can't do that for everything is Google won't let you make a copy of a folder because they say it's a security issue. So for a bulk amount of files, putting them in a folder and downloading, well, having that on your Chromebook and then uploading it is a faster way to do that. But otherwise, it looks like it worked for you.